This is a requested video and shows how I get my hubby's week's worth of boiled eggs prepped for him on Sunday night. He likes them just past soft-boiled but not hard-boiled, and this is the exact method that hasn't failed me yet. No sulfur ring or dry crumbly yolks here. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Place 5 eggs in a saucepan. Add cold water until they cover the eggs by a half to 1 inch. Turn the heat up to 8 or almost high if you don't have numbers on your dial. After about 4 to 5 minutes, this is what it'll look like. You want a slow rise in temperature. This is about the 12-minute mark, and we're getting ready to head into a rapid boil, so make sure you pay attention. When you hit the rapid boil like this, set your timer for 90 seconds. When the 90 seconds are up, turn off the heat and remove the pan to a cool burner. Set a timer for 60 minutes and allow the eggs to sit in the warm water before moving them to the fridge. These boiled eggs come out perfectly every time, and the hubby loves to grab them on the go for breakfast or after a workout. Please remember that everyone's stove heats differently, so there may be some trial and error to start. Start with 2 eggs and see if this exact method works, and tweak it by adding or subtracting 30 seconds at a time. For more tutorials, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos for you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.